Good morning, it's Wednesday. On my way to the one and only job today. Nice house wash, new customer and driveway in Port Richey. Another referral from a regular customer. And these are the things that I always talk about. You know, have the good price, do the good job, and you get these referrals. You know, and then you're never slowed all the way down to where you have no work at all. Yesterday I had to get a fresh motor installed. The valve was bad, and it was just cheaper to go ahead and get a fresh machine, and I get a 3-year warranty. So the whole passenger side's brand new pump, brand new gearbox, brand new machine. So we're starting fresh today on that side. 0 hours, and thanks again to the entire crew at Ameritech for stepping up and getting me back on my way. I mean, those guys are remarkable. The whole crew is spectacular. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the job. House wash, driveway, and we'll see you there. Let's get after it. All right, Don here, reporting from Port Richey, Florida. We're going to be cleaning this sidewalk from right here down to where the rig is. Then we're going to wash this house. We're going to start the job on the corner, SH all the way around to the back, rinse all the way back around, get all this concrete done out here and rinsed off. Then we'll go down the side, finish the back of the house up, and we'll be done. It's going to be a quick job. Just got done spot treating a couple areas, like the mailbox. Hey, look, that looks like a new mailbox. That'll come right off, see? This isn't that bad at all. Worst part's the driveway and stuff. They just bought this house. And I sprayed this. It was real bad. It was from straight. But the last people that lived here, they just left. They left a bunch of stuff behind too. Look at all this stuff back here. Crazy, isn't it? Anyway, the back is pretty messy. We'll have to take the turbo nozzle back here and get a little bit of this stuff out of here. You know, it's electric. He asked me about cleaning this stuff, but no way. It's just get some weed killer, weed eater. I would just pour mulch all back in this backyard. It's hard to grow grass back here anyway, all this shade. All right, but it's not that bad really. That's the worst of it right there. Not bad at all. All right, let's go ahead and get this puppy started and take that birdhouse down right there. I don't know what the hell that is on the window there. Another bird thing. Let's just go ahead and take this off of here. There you go. We don't need to be looking at any birds, right? Not with chlorine on them anyway. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get this party started. Oh, before I do, let's come on over here and check this out. All right. Of course, I got to put my new sign out on the road. You see this right here? Look at that. 0 hours. Brand new gear. Thanks to Aaron and the crew at Ameritech Pressure Cleaning Systems. Went in yesterday with a blown motor. Wasn't blown, but it needed a new jug. And they stepped right up to the pump like they always do whenever I have a problem. And I thank the whole crew at Ameritech for taking care of me once again. I got there at 12:45 and I was out the door by 10 to 4 with a brand new motor and a brand new fresh start. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's get after it. All right, let's play some free. Everything's SH down really good. We're gonna get this concrete when we get around the other side. Ran out of hose right there. About 10 feet short of doing the back of the house and all that stuff. So we're gonna rinse from here all the way around. Then we're gonna be after it. We'll get the driveway and the sidewalks done. We'll come down the side of the house, get this done. Then we'll be making some progress, folks. I'm Don from Super Blast. Now it's time for the very exciting runs. Okay, I got the machine turned way down, and you know what? Holy smokes. There's so much power, and it's not because of anything new motor or new pumps. It's because of fixing these two ball valves. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Wow. What a difference. And I never knew they were bad until Monday when water started coming out. Okay, look. I was just running the machine at that speed right there, and oh my God, it has so much power. I can't wait to do the concrete. These two valves here were bad. The ball was only halfway closed or open. You couldn't get it to go either way. Same with this down here. So what was happening is the water's coming into this ball valve, and if it's only cocked halfway, that means you're only getting half the water to your loaders down that way. These two gray hoses go down to there. Okay? And I was wondering why, with all this power we have, why it was it seemed like it was just not as strong as it should have been. That's the reason why. I can tell today, fantastic pressure, fantastic performance. Got to turn it down a little bit further. I'm going to start doing some damage. This is a lot of power. All right, let's get after it, and we'll get this mini Mondu out, and we'll really be getting after it. And don't forget to put your sign out there. Whenever you're in the neighborhood and you see a sidewalk, always put the sign. Another plug for the Fresh Rinse. If you want one of those signs, go to YouTube, go to the Fresh Rinse. He has like a purple psychedelic looking look on the side there on his site. Beautiful logo. Hell of a guy. He can fix you up with one of those signs. Make a comment on his page. He'll get in touch with you. Especially if you have social media, Facebook or something like that. He'll email you back and forth that way. All right? I'm Don from Super Blast. Hey man, let's get this thing turned down so we don't demolish this house. Let's get after it. Let's see how much more power we got after the repair. Yes, sir. Way much power, way much more. Unbelievable what 2 bad ball valves will do for you. Not good at all. All right, now for the ever so satisfying rinse. So we're going to SH down the side, go around the back, take that mini Mondu and kill the rest of that concrete back there and turbo nozzle that tree down the best we can, get it cleared out. Then we'll be done with this puppy. Rinse it all back, reel it right to the truck. What a nice looking side, huh? Get after it. All right, let's take a final look at this stuff back here. This is a disaster back here when we got here. All right, we got the hole all the way to the edge too. Went ahead and turbo nozzle underneath there. Was able to get underneath there and get to the edge of the concrete. Clean the mat off. Everything is spotless, man. New homeowner just needs to do some yard work and some landscape. Then everything's gonna be good. All right, I'm down from Super Blast. Look at that. I'm cleaning the gear out of all the SH, and the damn thing's blowing all over. It's got so much power. All right, I'm Doc from Super Blast. We'll see you guys tomorrow, all right? Get after it, baby! And get a sign.